Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the thumbnail maker on MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the App Store. So as you can see, I've already opened the App Store. Now simply we have to search for that. For example, I'm gonna write the YouTube and thumbnail maker, and then simply we need to hit the enter button. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get a lot of versions. So simply I'm going to open this one. So after clicking on this, here you will be able to see all the details of the app, like the size, language, developer, category, and all the things are provided here. Now simply what we need to do, simply we have to click on the get. And after clicking on the get, as you can see, has an option for the install button. So we need to click on the install button. And after clicking on the install button, the installation process will be started. And then we have to wait for a few seconds until it load. And after the completion of installation process, you will be able to use this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download this thumbnail maker for your YouTube, for your MacBook as well. So see you guys in the next video.